0 to $10,000 Smma challenge in 90 days. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you're brand new here, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and comment down below. Jonathan, you're absolutely crazy if you think you're going to get to $10,000 in 90 days. Because I probably think I am, right? Maybe I won't do it. Maybe I won't achieve the success, but I will never know unless I try it. And the reason why, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit, like a little backstory on why I decided to create this challenge and why I decided to put myself through this challenge. Because I know it's going to be extremely mentally draining, right? I've been in Smma for maybe since 2017. Right, I have never been able to really scale to $20,000-$30,000 per month. I've gotten pretty high up there, but every single time I get up there, I get comfortable, and then you know what happens when you get comfortable. You stop doing outreach, you start looking at the next shiny thing, you start looking at the next thing, crypto, affiliate marketing, creating content, coaching program, and all of this crazy sense that is out there that we get distracted with. I fall into that all the time, right? And I wanted to go ahead and create something that kept me accountable for 90 days to be able to actually grow my business to where I want it to be. I wanted to really grow that business to $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 per month. And I know I can definitely do it. I've been in this for a really long time. And I know exactly what I have to do on a daily basis to achieve it, right? So I want to go ahead and put myself to a challenge. I'm not going to count any of my current clients as, my starting point. No, I'm going to go ahead and count from 0 to $10,000 in 90 days. So any client that I have now currently, I'm not going to count it into this challenge. Okay, I want you guys to understand that, because I'm going to put myself as a complete beginner in your shoes. So the way we're going to go ahead and actually achieve this is by taking 3 daily actions. I'm not going to go ahead and take 20 million actions, because I know myself, if I put too much pressure, if I put too much things for me to do on a daily basis, I'm not going to achieve it. And obviously one of those daily actions is going to be uploading a YouTube video every single day for 90 days, which that on its own is going to be a lot of work. I've gave this a try in the past. I think I got up to 24, 25 YouTube videos that I actually uploaded and consistently every single day. But I'm going to put myself through that challenge again. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to do it again. But this time, I'm going to go ahead and really record what I'm doing more on a daily basis, and plus valuable information that you guys want and need in order to really grow and start your business. I get hit up so much on a daily basis. Me and my girl get hit up so much on a daily basis. Hey, how can I actually start my agency? Hey, how can I do this? And we buy so many courses just to see what's out there in the market when it comes to helping you guys grow your business. And what we found out is kind of mind-blowing, that people are charging $1,000, $2,000 for courses that are literally zero value. It blows my mind, right? So I wanted to go ahead and really change that whole type of thing and really give you guys what the 3 daily actions that I'm going to be taking in order to see growth in my business. Obviously, if I don't see growth in my business with those 3 daily actions, then you change it. You adapt into something different so you can start seeing the success, so you can start seeing the growth in your business. It's all about adapting and changing. If you see something's not working, you tweak it and you tweak it and you tweak it until it's finally working for your business, okay? So I'm going to be sending 10 Loom videos per day, Monday through Friday. I'm not going to count Saturday and Sunday. So that's what, 25 days times 10, so that's 250 Loom videos per month that I'm going to be sending. So in 3 months, that's 750 Loom videos, right? So I'm super excited, super nervous. I know it's going to be a lot of work, but I know that if taking those daily actions is going to be super important, especially for me, right? Because I have an old habit of starting something and not finishing it, and I want to get rid of the habit. And that's kind of one of the biggest reasons why I'm creating this whole challenge. It's mostly obviously to give you guys value, but it's also to keep myself accountable, especially if I have you guys there to comment down below and letting me know, hey Jonathan, you're slacking, you haven't uploaded a video in 2 days, catch up, making sure that you continue growing your business, right? Like I said before, I'm not going to count my current clients. I'm going to count from now, pretending I have 0 clients. Obviously not my current clients, and I'm not going to fire my current clients either, because they're amazing. But I'm going to count as if every client from now on is into this challenge, because it would have came from the outreach that I'm going to be doing. I want to show that it's possible to get clients by sending 10 Loom videos. And the reason why I'm so sure that it's actually possible is because that's how I got my previous clients. And I've been doing the 10 Loom videos per day for the past 2 weeks, and I've seen like 5, 6, 7, 8 appointments already. So I definitely know it's possible to achieve the certain amount of success that we want just by sending 10 Loom videos per day. Now, that is daily action number 1 or daily action number 2, because the other one's going to be uploading every video every single day for 90 days, right? That on its own is going to put a lot of pressure on me. Because I think I'm terrible on camera. I think I'm terrible at talking to you guys. I'm terrible at, you know, being consistent with recording, but I actually enjoy it. I actually enjoy coming into the camera and giving you guys value. I actually enjoy helping you guys, answering your question. I actually enjoy jumping on calls with you guys and actually helping you guys grow your business, right? So I actually got off the phone yesterday with one of my coaching clients. He was like, "Hey Jonathan, I actually just got my first client." He put in I think it was like 2-3 weeks of consistent work, and he got his first client ever. His first client ever, $1,500 per month plus 10% ROAS for his agency, which is huge. I'm super excited to see where he's going to be in the next 90 days. So guys, follow along with this journey, follow along with this YouTube channel, because I'm super excited to helping you guys grow. I'm super excited to see you guys, for you guys to see my growth as well, right? Like we've been in business for 4 to 5 years, but it hasn't been consistent to where we want it to be, right? I've always jumped into the next shiny thing. I've always jumped around, and it hasn't been consistent, even though I always kept my clients, and SMMA has always been the main source of income that I've had for the past 4 to 5 years. But I want to make sure we're consistent. So 0 to 10K per month, that's the goal in 90 days, and it's all going to be from uploading every day, doing 10 Loom videos per day, and also learning something. That's the third daily action I'm going to be taking, learning something every single day for the next 90 days. Whether it's reading 20 minutes of a book, whether it's watching a video about Facebook ads, about TikTok ads, whether it's getting better on camera, but I'm going to be learning something every single day to really grow my skills, really grow more as a business owner, grow more as a content creator, grow more as a person just in general. That's going to be my 3 daily actions, right? So my schedule is going to be mostly like, you know, the first 2 to 3 hours from, you know, 8 to 10 or 11, that's straight Loom videos, right? And then the next 2 hours is searching for the next 10 so I can have it prepared for the next day, because I know if I don't have it prepared for the next day, I'm not going to do it, right? So all I have to do is find 10 businesses and create those 10 Loom videos. So I'll find the next 10 businesses for the next day so I can create the next 10 Loom videos for the next day, and then from, you know, 2 to 5 I'll record, edit, and upload, and then from 5 to 7 I'll go ahead and learn something, read a book or whatever it is, watch a video, watch a YouTube video to learn and expand my skill set to help obviously help you guys grow and help myself grow as a person as well. So guys, if you guys are excited about this challenge, I want you guys to go ahead and comment down below. I'm following along with this challenge because I know it's going to be extremely helpful for you guys. It's going to help you guys grow. It's going to help myself grow my business, and I'm super excited for this journey. I'm actually extremely nervous as well to be recording every single day, to be recording Loom videos every day. It's going to be draining, but I know for sure it will be worth it. So guys, go ahead and comment down below what your biggest question is and what you want me to make a video on. And other than that, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.